Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin's still under selling pressure. Yeah, we haven't seen much movement since the last update. Bitcoin is obviously in an oversold area, oversold range. I explained that in detail in the last video, that we have an oversold RSI on the daily chart, but really only the daily candle close counts can still change throughout the day. For now, the overall focus remains firmly here on the white scenario. The idea is still that we are moving down in a so-called ending diagonal from the B wave high that formed on the 30th of January. Current thesis is we are in a larger degree wave 4. And we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2. This is seen as an A, B, C in wave 3. Could still go a little lower in that third wave, then another 4, then another 5. I see that pattern across several altcoin charts at the moment as well. And yeah, for example, Solana is one of them. Yeah, might get at least one more 4-5 pattern. I'm not sure if we get really 2 4-5 patterns. Sometimes that last low doesn't happen here. But Bitcoin, to be fair, a lot of people are super bearish now. I mean, okay, altcoin sector I can understand. A lot of coins are breaking. And to be honest, I'm already filtering regarding the coins that I'm covering, that I cover the ones that I believe have at least a chance. But most altcoins I'm not even covering, and most of them are bearish, right? They have not even participated in the bull market. But with regards to Bitcoin, I mean, we are still holding way above critical support on the daily time frame, which is at $69,000. We are even holding above the 75k level, which is the 50% retracement on the larger time frame. But again, this here is just a focus on the smaller time frame in this video, and the downside pressure remains. But I'm watching for the beginning of an internal fourth wave bounce. Okay, so we talked in the last video that maybe wave 4 has started already, but there was no confirmation for it essentially. But that the potential is there from here. Okay, it made a marginally lower low, but nothing that changed anything. All I had to do was to adjust resistance slightly. So for this wave 4, which could then lead to one more low in wave 5 of C of circle wave 3, for this wave 4, standard resistance is between 88,466 and 92,618. This is standard resistance. Any break above it would indicate that circle wave 3 already completed. This is possible because the move down is long enough to be all of circle wave 3, even though I would prefer circle wave 3 to extend a little more, typically into the area. I mean, that is sort of a typical area here, the area between the 123.6 and 138% extension. Third waves can even extend. So for now, I assume this wave count that I've got on the chart is playing out. The market would need to give me a reason to believe something different. How could it do that? Well, for example, through a break above initial resistance, which is at 92,618. Yeah, and in addition to that, okay, if we break above it and it's still a corrective rally, it might simply be circle wave 4.